Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We just did an update at maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out. We got a lot of new cars in inventory. We're going to be doing a full lot walk, giving you an idea what just came in. Lots of good stuff, kind of like this IROC-Z. I think it was under 60,000 miles. Very clean car. We got it priced $10,900. I'm going to start up here in the front corner of the lot. We're gonna do a whole walk around. If you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. I do videos like this every day. Let's get started. First off, if you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing information, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. This week, hopefully we get to all the new cars that have come in. Here the last couple of weeks they've been selling, so I haven't been able to get all the videos up, but I've changed my routine here. I've started working on new cars for this week, last week. So you'll see a flood of cars pop up here on YouTube from pretty much every Monday to Wednesday from now on. Starting up here in the front, you can see every car that has a hold tag or a sold on it is already gone, but there is a lot of new stuff. We kind of walk around every single car just real quick. Definitely check out the detailed pictures on my website, and I also have individual videos of every car on YouTube here. All you have to do is type in, like this one, 1970 El Camino, Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. 2 videos will pop up. You can do that with any car on the lot here. That's what I'm gonna say is this is a 70 El Camino for $18,900, and it is available up here at Maple Motors. This is a 70 Monte Carlo. It's got a hold tag in it. We just put hold tags in it to give people enough time to get up here to purchase the car if they're out of state. 68 Cutlass is already sold. Should be leaving the lot this week. Along with this 65 GTO. They sold it this week as well. The 64 Impala. It was a 4-speed car. It was $26,900. It's on hold as well. The 63 Impala right next to that is sold. You're gonna see a lot of stuff move out and a lot of new stuff move in this week. This one's on hold as well. It's a 1963 Impala for $26,900. We're gonna jump over to some available stuff. We got a lot of new stuff right here in the middle we're about to make it to. Got a 65 Mustang convertible for $32,900, a very nice car. Got a beautiful paint job on it. Right next to that, for $25,900, another Mustang convertible. This is a 1966 model. I just posted a video on this the other day and it went on hold immediately. It's a 6-cylinder car, pretty much all original. 1965 $19,900. That thing drove awesome. Another 65 convertible, $27,900. Just came into the lot. New inventory. Be getting videos of it this week. 65 Mustang, $14,900. We got a lot of them today. In blue. We got a lot of the colors. Look at the Mustang row here. That's what I'm talking about. The white one's already on hold. It's a 65 model for $15,900. We sold this Mustang sitting here. It's actually been sitting here about a week. We've already had it sold, just waiting on a shipping truck to come pick it up. This is a Pro Street car, very fast. You can see the videos online, so definitely check that out. Pro Street Mustang, $15,900. It's already on hold as well, but the video was cool. This is a 70 model Mustang. It's on hold. It's 19.9. Just needs a paint job. Runs and drives good. Right beside that's another 70 model, but it's a Camaro with a big block in it. 21.9. It is available. Another one of those vehicles I could not get to last week because it sold. It's a 1965 C10. Very nice. Custom interior. I love the door panels on this one. I wish I could have got to it. 70 model custom flatbed. 17.9. A very cool tricked out truck. Definitely check it out. 17.9. Yes, I thought I said 15. Definitely check that one out. 1955 Cameo truck, 34.9. '65 Chevy C10, 16.9. I believe this one's still available. I'm not 100% sure if he got this on the website or not, but we did get one of those in. It's pretty unique. It's all custom. Oddball customs. And I'm not sure if he put this one on the website, but y'all get to check it out before anybody else, I guess, because it's in my video now. Turning back around, the 4-door Impala back there is sold. The C10 back there is on hold. Firebird sold. HHR sold. Do have Mustang convertible sitting here, $99.50. Coming on up a little bit. Nice little Camaro for $11.9. I'm not sure if I got the video on this one, but that's a 1975 model. Of course, Nova not available. It will not be available. Please don't call on that one. Already sold the Chevelles sitting here, so we'll just cruise on by it. Got another Chevelle sitting here for $22.9. Blue with the black stripes on the hood, and it is a 69 model. It is available. Gonna be a good piece. Right behind that, a 1968 model Camaro. It is already on hold, $25.9. We've had it for about a week or two. Could be a good one. I just like Camaros. Already sold this one. It's a 66 Mustang. We've already sold this 65 Mustang. Coming back around to some stuff that's available here. Sold the Impala, sold the Chevelle, and sold the Cadillac. $12.9. It's already sold. We're working our way. A lot of new stuff's up here. For $12.9, you could pick up a 1963 Futura Falcon, Ford Falcon. Right next to that for $59.50. Prices come down quite a bit on this one. Chrysler Newport. 1965 Barracuda, $12.9. Sweet little Mustang here we're going to be talking about here in just a second, and we're going to hit this row and talk about a lot of the new cars that have came in. I've already sold the Biscayne. You can see previous videos and pictures of it on my website. And we've already sold, or it's on hold, it's not sold yet, the 66 4-speed Chevelle. This is a real SS car. Coming around to a lot of the new stuff. See, last week I started making videos on a lot of these, and I think I've already got 4 or 5 of them already done. So hopefully by Wednesday I'll have all the new inventory up, and then I'll just sit around and make videos talking to you about all the cars on the lot. This is a 68 Corvette. I believe it was a 427 under the hood. It's got the side pipes. This is a 4-speed car. That's going to be a good piece. Chrome bumpers. Right next to that, a built 69 Camaro. I haven't got to run the numbers on the motor yet, so I don't know exactly what motor is in it until I start my videos, which I haven't done this one yet, but I'm excited because that one's a fast car. 69 is definitely my favorite year of Camaro. I just like the body lines. The 67 Camaro here, 29.9. That's just a very nice car all the way around. Hideaway headlights. You can always recognize a 69 or a 67 Camaro by the vent windows. Right next to that, 65 Mustang. Awesome running and driving car. We got the video, I'm putting it out today. It's 33.9. Another one that should be coming out today. Nice little Chevelle sitting here for 36.9. I'm gonna jump right on that one and get the videos. Hopefully I get another 3 cars done today. That would be 6 videos for y'all to watch. And I'll tell all the motors once I decode them. You can see 100 detailed pictures, maplemotors.com. 68 Chevelle already sold. Next to that, another 68 Chevelle, 23.9, on hold, waiting on the guy to get here. The one that's not gonna last, guys, is coming up. It's just not gonna last. This is a 72 Chevelle with tons of goodies on it. I mean, there's so many that I even considered it. Mine's the same year and everything, but this one needs a paint job, and it's only 24.9, so. It's got a good look, custom interior, under the hood looks awesome, and you'll be able to see all that information in my videos and my detailed pictures that will be coming out today. Right next to that, Pro Street Chevelle, 1970 model, it's on hold, 24.9. And check this out. Got the old Bel-Air, 28.9. I love the color combo. Green and white with tan interior, or let's say peanut butter interior. Look inside this thing. Very clean. It's gonna be a good piece. Hope everyone enjoyed their 4th of July. Something that we got in here that's gonna go pretty fast, and I know it is. It's an IROC-Z car for 10.9 with low original miles. 1988 model. Interior's very nice. I wonder if they left it unlocked. I'll just kind of peek in with you. And it is. So you got the Memphis store speakers, aftermarket radio. I mean, this thing's just super nice. Cold AC. I should have probably made the video before I showed you on here, because I don't think it'll be here long after this. Definitely gonna try to get that today. All right, guys, we're gonna just walk by everything real fast to kind of go over the information with you, letting you know exactly how to buy a car here, where to go to get more information, how to look the videos up. All you have to do, hit the year model, the make, just like this one, 1968 Cutlass, Maple Motors. Hit that in the YouTube search bar, it'll pop up a video. You do that with any car on the lot. Some of them sell faster than I can make the videos, and then it's pointless. Why make the video if it's already sold? So that's the only reason I skip some of them, because I have a lot of others to do. And as you can see, cars coming in and out of here pretty fast. We're gonna try to keep it that way and keep a flood of classic muscle cars coming in daily. We update every Monday. You can check our website every Monday. You wanna see a car, okay, let's say you're looking for a Chevelle convertible. Well, you can't call us and write a number down or anything like that, because there'd just be too many numbers for us to go through. check our website every single Monday and you'll see all of the new cars. And that's first come, first serve. You call, talk to us. You know, we can give you time to get down here and stuff, but if you don't check on Monday, you won't see all the new cars. Also, financing is available. We got 3 companies on there to choose from. They approve people every day. We ship cars out of here every day as well. No reason walking back there. It's a big sold section. Shipping company is insured, no worries. Please don't call on the Nova. You won't get any information. It's not available. We are a family business. We've been in business 37, 38 years. It's just me, my father, my uncles, and my grandfather. And like I said in the beginning, I try to do videos every day. I was getting behind because they were getting so many new cars in. I couldn't keep up on videos, so I started working ahead of time. I should get these videos out to you by Wednesday or Thursday, and that should be all the cars for the update. That way, if you're waiting to see a video before you purchase, it'll be there a lot sooner. We have a ton of videos on YouTube here. I leave all of them up to show previous inventory, and I try to get back and mark all of them sold when they are sold. It's kind of a cool feature. When you buy a car from us, you still have that video you can go back and watch if you need to learn anything else about your car. One thing that helps us out is y'all sharing these videos. Share them on Facebook. Share them to your groups that you're in, your car clubs. I would appreciate that. That helps us out a lot. Well, we've made our way around this car lot. I'm gonna get back to doing some test drives today. Hopefully get some real fast cars I can do some cool videos with. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. and give us a call, 615-822-4444. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.